Es saprotu, kā saruna notiek. I am head of design department. Otherwise, I am educating myself, doing some interesting things and having fun while doing it. I have been working in Primekss for more than 10 years now. I would compare it to more of pancakes. In terms of if you place too much milk or water into pancakes, you don't get them. It's not how it works. And if you put too much of flour, then also they are very thick, and that's not what you wanted. So either way, it's more of an art to deal with concrete than science. And similarly, it's for the cooking as well. Currently, I am more of a cat. I sleep when I can, for how long as I can, because I have a small baby, so I do what I can. My hobbies is actually educating myself in things that I don't know enough. For example, I am now building my house with my own hands, and I'm dealing with everything related to that. I'm learning about engineering issues, about HVAC and heating and everything that is not my job as a structural engineer. Essentially, I like to educate myself and make something with my own hands. I like that Primekss is not only talking the talk, but also walking the walk in regards to the saving of the environment and CO2 emissions. Also, I like that I do make an impact here, both on my colleagues and subordinates and superiors, as well as the environment around us. I like that this is beneficial to the planet. I think that my superpower is the ability to push through my limits to wherever I can, whether it's physical or otherwise. And also, I think that the super strength of mine is that I have the backbone to keep my own values at all costs, at all times, regardless of who and how am I being pushed to overcome them.